Today's project is going to be to replace the air filter on our 14 Silverado. The first thing we're going to do is loosen up that hose clamp there, and we have just an 8mm socket on the ratchet here to do that. All the air cleaner bolts are the same, they're 8mm. So next we're going to disconnect this wire to get it out of the way. We're just going to pry up on this lock that pulls right out, and then we'll stick a screwdriver right in here, pry back a little, and that should just walk right out. There we go. Now that's out of our way. You got 4 bolts holding the top on the air cleaner housing. And again, those are 8mm. And that's all they look like. Being careful I don't drop them. One more over here. So now we got the 4 bolts out. The end of this wire does have a little connector on it that's going to be in our way. So we'll reach down and just pull that out. It's one of those Christmas tree type fasteners. Okay. And then we just got to disconnect the top of the cover from this hose here. Stick a screwdriver in there, loosen that up a little bit. It should come right apart. Should. There we go. Lift this cover right out. It's totally out of the way now. And we can access the filter. And it's, yep, it's due. Quite a bit of debris in between the pleats here, and the pleats are ripping quite easily too. This isn't well past the time of replacing, I think. Looking in the bottom of the airbox housing here, it's full of debris. We're going to get the vacuum and clean that up. The filter we're replacing this with today is a Fram. The part number is 8755A, and that fits our 14 Silverado. I know not everybody likes the Fram filters, but that's what they sell at Walmart, and that's where we were when we were shopping, so that's what we picked up. So to replace the filter, the pleats go down into the air box. There we go. Put the cover back on. Line up the hose. That is a tight fit. There we go. Careful how to drop these still. Imagine if you drop one of these, you'll have a hard time finding it. One more way down here. And these just get snugged up. You don't need to torque on these very hard at all. It's just plastic, don't forget. Just snug is all you're after. Knock the camera. I do every time. Okay, let's not forget the hose clamp. Don't forget to put the lock back in. Head it backwards there. There we go. And just that little Christmas tree fitting. And that's it, we're done. So that's all it is to replacing the air filter on a 14 Silverado. Anyways, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I've got more videos on this Silverado on there. Anyways, thanks for watching.